Micromax in 1B pre-booking starts November 10th at 12 noon with Flipkart Big Diwali sale. Micromax in 1B will be up for pre-booking starting November 10th at 12 p.m. noon, the company revealed through a tweet. The phone, along with the Micromax in Note 1, were launched in India on November 3rd and will be going on sale later in the month starting at 7,999 rupees. The company is opening pre-bookings this week for the Micromax in 1B on Flipkart during the Big Diwali sale. The phone comes in 2 RAM and storage configurations and is offered in 3 color options. Micromax in 1B price and market, availability. The Micromax in 1B is priced at 6,999 rupees for the 2GB RAM plus 32GB storage variant and 7,999 rupees for the 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage version. The phone will be up for pre-booking from November 10th at 12 p.m. noon, via Flipkart during the Big Diwali sale, as tweeted by Micromax. The Micromax in 1B will be available in 3 color options, blue, green, and purple. It will go on sale starting November 26th at 12 p.m. noon. As of now, Micromax has not shared details about the Micromax in Note 1 that will go on sale from November 24th. Micromax in 1B specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Micromax in 1B runs on Android 10. It features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a water drop style notch. The phone is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio G35 SoC and comes with 2GB and 4GB RAM options. In terms of optics, there is a dual rear camera setup that houses a 13-megapixel primary camera sensor with an f/1.8 lens and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The Micromax phone also comes with an 8-megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front. The Micromax in 1B has 32GB and 64GB of onboard storage options and both are expandable via microSD card. Connectivity options include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, a GPS, USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The phone also features a fingerprint sensor at the back. The Micromax in 1B comes with a 5,000 mAh battery that supports 10 watts fast charging and reverse charging. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.